Congratulations, you have finally logged into this online course. In order for you to learn smoothly in this online course, it is also advisable for you when watching the video lesson to watch in full screen so that you can have a clear view. Here I will show you how you can watch it on full screen. At the bottom right corner, you can see a square shape. Please press that square shape to get full screen. Apart from this, you'll also need to update your profile picture. On the top right corner beside your name, there is a small arrow down. Press that arrow and after that choose profile. And after that select profile photo. Press select your file to select a picture from your computer. Or if you have a webcam, you can take pictures directly from your laptop or computer. Optionally, you can update your cover photo. Alright, that's all about a brief introduction on how you can browse the online course. Thank you for your attention.